You ever look at your wallet and wonder, man, I wish I could consolidate everything into one sleek, modern card? Maybe you're tired of juggling multiple cards for different expenses. Well, today, we're diving into the world of Wealthsimple and asking the burning question, does Wealthsimple have a card? Now, Wealthsimple is a popular investment and banking platform that's made a name for itself with its user-friendly interface and low fees. But does it offer the holy grail of financial simplicity, a single card to rule them all? Let's break it down. Wealthsimple originally started as an investment platform, helping people invest their money with minimal fuss. They've expanded their services over the years to include things like tax-free savings accounts, retirement plans, and even cryptocurrency trading. But a credit card? That's a different ballgame. So, to cut to the chase, no, Wealthsimple doesn't currently offer a traditional credit card. If you're hoping for a card with rewards, points, or balance transfers, you'll need to look elsewhere. But hold on, before you hit that unsubscribe button, let's talk about what Wealthsimple does offer. While they might not have a credit card, they do have a debit card linked to your Wealthsimple cash account. This card lets you spend your own money, withdraw cash from ATMs, and even make online purchases. Now, this isn't exactly the same as a credit card. With a credit card, you're borrowing money from the bank and paying it back later. With a debit card, you're spending money you already have. But it's still a convenient way to manage your finances, especially if you're already using Wealthsimple for other things. Wealthsimple Cash also comes with some perks. You can earn interest on your balance, send and request money from friends, and even use the app to track your spending. It's a solid option for people who want a simple, no-frills way to manage their money. So, while Wealthsimple might not have cracked the credit card code just yet, their debit card and overall platform offer a compelling package for those looking to simplify their financial lives. But hey, who knows? Maybe a Wealthsimple credit card is in the works. We'll keep an eye out and let you know if anything changes. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.